How to improve Snapchat camera quality. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to improve your Snapchat camera quality on Android device. So basically, when you actually install the Snapchat application and then log into your account, then it's going to show you this kind of interface. So on the Snapchat application, if you're unable to take a good picture with the filter as well, then what you need to do is, in order to improve the quality, you have to follow some of the steps. The first thing is you're going to check for a stable internet connection. So Snapchat does not work properly where there's no stable internet connection, or when you're not connected to an internet service. Or else you can also try restarting your Snapchat application. So for that, you can just go ahead and long press on it and click the app info icon, and right on this page you can go to storage and cache, and here you can just go ahead and tap on clear cache, and then you can restart your device. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. If that is also not helping out, then you can also update your application. So for that, head over to your Play Store, and then on the search box you need to type in Snapchat. If you see update right over here, then it means the app needs to be updated, and wait for the application to be updated. After doing this procedure, you're still unable to fix it, then you can also try reinstalling the Snapchat application. So for that, you have to long press on it and go to the app info icon, and from here you can go to uninstall button, and in order to confirm it, just go ahead and tap on the uninstall button, and once again restart your device, then reinstall it. It should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can also go ahead and check for permission. Sometimes if you've not enabled camera permission, then it should be one of the issue. So these were some of the ways to improve your quality on your Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.